Content creation is not for the faint of heart. There are ups and downs on this roller coaster to monetization. Join me as I discuss what it takes to become a content creator and to be monetized on YouTube. I'm Chris Gamble, and this is my channel, Gamble Data Engineering, where we cover the concepts, demos, and tutorials to help you become a master data engineer. On Sunday mornings, we discuss monetization. So, for those of you that don't know, to be monetized on YouTube, it takes 4,000 watch hours within 12 months, as well as 1,000 subscribers. Being monetized on YouTube means that you're earning ad revenue from the ads that show up when people are watching your YouTube videos. Vacation week. This week, my family and I were at the beach, and so I pre-recorded several videos and scheduled them to launch throughout the week. I did 2 long-form videos, which were my SQL AI video, as well as my concepts video. In addition, on 4th of July, I did a short just celebrating 4th of July, a picture of a beach, just a quick snippet about making sure that your pipelines run clean and your Spark jobs launch successfully. And so that had pretty good viewership. I had about 200 views from that. But that's all I did this week. And the rest of the week was spending time with my family at the beach. So I'll get more into some of what I learned this week in a moment. But first, let's cover analytics. So our community increased from 51 to 66 this week. So that's 15 new subscribers. So welcome to you 15 that joined us this week. I'm excited that you're here. Hopefully you're learning different things from all the content that I put out, and that you're working on your way to become a master data engineer, or you're learning something from these monetization videos. I'm excited that you're here. Please be an active part of the community. Be sure to comment and let us know what you think. So please let me know what I'm doing well, what you'd like to see different. I'll take that feedback and make adjustments going forward. All right. My total watch time increased from 47.7 hours to 61.4 hours. Breaking that down, shorts went from 29.1 to 32.1. Again, I really only did one short, so not a big increase there. I'll talk about that more in a moment. My long form videos, which are what's really important, went from 18.6 hours to 29.3 hours. So almost a 10-hour increase. Super excited about that. When we're talking about monetization, only the watch hours from long form videos count. Short form videos, their watch hours don't count. You have to get to 10 million short views in order to be monetized. So there's an option there. You could either reach the 4,000 watch hours from your long form videos or 10 million views from your shorts. I probably will never hit 10 million short views. It seems like an astronomical goal to me when I'm getting about 1,000 short views a week, but I'm hoping that one day I'll get to my 4,000 watch hours. So 10 hours, most of that from the one video that I put out about SQL and AI. Super excited about that. It has over 200 views now, and again, well over 10 hours of watch time now. So I'm excited that people are getting something out of it. Excited people are watching it. I'll do another video on how to use AI in your studies and on your data engineering path. And that seems to be what people are interested in. So I might do a couple more videos on that. Okay. Speaking about views, we did have 1.5 thousand views this week, which is, again, super exciting. It's down about 30% over the previous week. However, I did just really do the one short, and previous weeks I did like 5 or 6 shorts. So 1.5 is pretty good to only be down 30% and really just having long form videos and one short. So that did put me up over 7,000 views total, which I got a little celebration thing from vidIQ. So excited about being over 7,000 views. So that's really cool. All right, let's get into what I learned this week. Next thing I want to talk about is shorts. Everybody's monetization journey is different. Everybody's YouTube channel is different. Shorts, I think for me, going forward, I'm going to use them for breaking up my videos that are like top 5 ways to overcome imposter syndrome in tech. those kind of top videos because I could break them up by each of those individual things. And then I might do one short for my long form videos that is explicitly my hook for that video. And then that's it. I'm not going to break up those videos any more than that. So I'll save that content for my actual long form videos and leave the rest and won't create shorts for those. So next thing, I talked briefly during my vacation week piece that I batch recorded several videos and then scheduled them to go out. It worked well for me. I think that that's the way to go for a couple of reasons. One, the more recording, the more my personality comes out, the more relaxed I am, the less rigid and like this that I am. I get into a groove, get into a pattern, and things just flow better. My confidence is a little bit higher when I'm recording back to back as opposed to doing them a little bit during the week. I think it's probably better for everybody's mental health that you give yourself some time away from it as well. I'm super excited about doing this, and so I love doing it, and I will probably continue to look at things a little bit during the week. But as far as my recording goes and editing and all that, I'll probably try to batch all that together over the weekend, maybe split it up a little bit, do recordings on Saturdays and then do editing on Sundays and then schedule everything to release. It seemed to work out well this week for vacation. I think it'll work out well going forward. And I think it'll help keep me from getting burned out as well. Batch recording is the way to go for people. It'll help keep you from being burnt out, and it will help with your mental health as well. Give you some work-life balance. The last thing I want to talk about is spammy junk. So last week I talked about the SEO stuff that I was getting. So as you become a content creator, you're going to start getting messages on Facebook, emails, messages from other social media platforms about people that tell you, hey, you have some really great content. I want to help with your SEO because you've got some flaws in it and it's going to increase your viewership and it'll sound great. And you'll think, oh, cool. I don't know a whole lot about SEO. So as you get into those conversations, and I did it with two different people just to see if it was going to be the same. You know, they talk about your SEO stuff. Hey, it's going to be, they make it sound great. It's going to be $7 or $10 per video. And they'll even send you like a snapshot of your page. So like clearly they've done some homework. And then both of them commented, hey, I'll fix your keywords, fix your SEO, and then I'll publicize it through my paid channel that I have. And I'm like, okay, there's the hook. There's the gotcha, right? Buying subscribers. You don't want to do that. It is against the monetization policy. It will dilute your stats. It will confuse the YouTube algorithm because people will view your videos that aren't really your target audience. And so don't do it. In addition, I've started seeing advertisements for apps and websites that are like, get viewers fast, right? Increase your viewership of your channel, grow your channel quick. And they're spammy. They're spammy junk. Don't fall for it. Again, it will dilute your stats. It will confuse the YouTube algorithm. Know that the YouTube algorithm will eventually catch on with who your target audience is. The more videos you do, the more comfortable you'll be talking to the camera, the more confident you'll come across, and the more your personality will come out, which will draw people in. Don't do it. It's not worth it. All right. Today, I want to leave you with a quote, and I adjusted it a little bit, but the quote is, giving up and giving in is the final emotion that you experience before achieving success. What this means is it could be hard. You might be feeling like you're really just going through it and not getting anything out of it. Know that if you give it up, you're never going to achieve success. So don't give up. Keep pushing forward. You'll get there. I'm excited about my growth this week, and I know that it will continue to grow. So I hope you learned something. I hope that you are continuing to grow your subscriber bases. For those of you that are creators, I hope that you are becoming stronger data engineers and feel like you're starting to master data engineering as you watch these videos. I hope you get something out of it. If you got something out of today's video, tell me what it was below, and it'll help me to focus on those different aspects of my video creation and help me to help you better. Again, have a great day, have a great week, and I will see you next week.